Network Entertainment.
Financial freedom, financial freedom, financial freedom. Ano ba talaga itsura ng financial freedom? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa episode na ito.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome back to Chink Positive. Honest question lang Pag sinabi mo yung gusto kong maging financially free, what does it really mean to you? Kasi sa totoo lang, maganda siya pakinggan pero minsan hindi siya malinaw. Kasi ang feeling ng tao pag financial freedom, ibig sabihin magandang bahay, 'di ba? Yung automatic ang mansion, automatic na may sports car, 'di ba? Pwede 'yun, pero hindi 'yan actually sagot ng karamihan. Sa totoong buhay, ganito siya kadalas. Yung financial freedom, honestly, for a people who's starting, number one is nakakabayad ng bills on time. Or number two, may ipon kahit na kakaunti, di ba? Yung hindi ba siya kabado sa sweldo, hindi siya nalulunod sa utang, nakakapagpahinga na wala siyang guilt and shame. Yan, para sa mga ibang tao ay financial freedom. Tatandaan mo, hindi mo kailangang magmukhang mayaman para maramdaman mo na ikaw ay financially free. Di ba? As a matter of fact, para sa ibang tao talaga, yung freedom of choice ang gusto nila. Freedom to choose where they want to eat, where they want to live, where they want to have their children educated. Yun ang tunay na financial freedom. Pero yun nga, minsan nalulunod tayo sa illusion ng financial freedom na parang ang feeling nila kailangan you need to live up to the expectation of others. Ito lang po reality is this. Hindi lahat ng financial freedom ay tungkol sa pera and success. Aanhin mo ang financial freedom mo, kuno, kapag toxic ka sa work. Diba? Kapag may emergency, guguho na yung parang security mo. Kapag may magandang opportunity, sumusugal ka pero wala ka namang peace of mind. Alam mo, hindi yan financial freedom. Ang tawag po niyan ay pressure. Ang tawag po niyan ay panic. Ang tawag po niyan ay greediness. Kaya, question, paano malalaman kung palapit ka na sa financial freedom? Ito yung unang sign. For me, people who are financial free, number one, kalmado pagdating sa pera. Hindi sila kabado. Oo, kasi alam po nila na, yun nga, they know how to manage their money instead of money managing them. Number two, may ipon, di ba? May buffer. Hindi laging zero. Alam nila may emergency fund sila. Pangatlo, mas intentional sila. Hindi sila nag-impulse buying. Hindi lang panay reaction. Pinag-aaralan ang bawat nilang financial decision. Pang-apat, hindi sila dependent sa iisang source of income. Alam nila kahit na mawala yung first income, may second sila, may third, may fourth. Wow. So, nagigets nyo. Doon mo malalaman kung palapit ka na sa financial freedom. Hindi lang to destination, it's really enjoying the journey. Alam ko minsan, kaya nga mga ka-friendship, let us not be deceived by the illusion of being financially free because you have more than others. Aanhin mo ang bago mong iPhone, kapatid, kung wala ka namang ipon. Diba? Kaya nga, I want you right now to define, ikaw mismo, habang nakikinig ka sa podcast na ito, I want you to define your own version of financial freedom. For me, if you ask me, ano bang financial freedom sa akin? Again, for me, I have the freedom to choose where I want to eat, where I want to live, where I want my children to be educated, where I want my parents to be medicated. Para sa akin, yan ang tunay na freedom. Meron akong choice. So right now, it's time for you to create your own version of financial freedom. If this episode speaks to you, do me a favor, share this episode to your friends. Maybe magkaroon sila ng reality and revelation of what financial freedom really is. Tatandaan, stay grounded, stay steady, and always stay Chink Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.